फ्रेंड्स, इट्स ओके टू बी मीडियोकर। मेरी वाइफ मेरे को कहती है कि आप हमेशा अपने यंगस्टर्स को या आपके चैनल देखते हैं, व्हाई डू यू ऑलवेज कीप टेलिंग देम कि इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर, मेक इट बिग, मेक इट यूनिकॉर्न। जो एक हसल कल्चर है आज के डेट में, वेयर ऑल ऑफ अस आर मेड टू बिलीव दैट वी ऑलवेज हैव टू बी ऑन द ट्रेडमिल एंड ट्राई टू बी ऑन द टॉप. So if it is a BCom, it should be from SRCC. If it's a job, it should be in the topmost MNC of the country. And if it is a YouTube video, it should have 1 million views, 1 million subscribers. Why is it necessary for everything to be mega, to be big? Why can't we be happy being normal, being average? See, if you look at life and the way it's structured, at the top of the pyramid, only a very limited number of people are going to reach. Does it mean that people who are not at the top of the pyramid have no reason to be happy, no reason to celebrate their successes? So let's say if it's an exam and if you've cleared that exam with 50-55%, you get that degree, right? You are not the rank holder, you're not the all India topper. But does that mean that you're not an accomplished person? Your achievement is less? No. And therefore, if you are doing your 100% in the given circumstances, whatever be the results, celebrate those results. It's okay to be average. Yes, the world is conditioned to make us believe that only unicorns in the startup world should be celebrated, only toppers in the academic world should be celebrated, only the CXOs in the job world should be celebrated. But you don't know what goes behind the making of a unicorn, behind the making of a CXO. I've seen so many CXOs from very close corners. I will never want to behave the way they have in order to get there. So some may be very deserving to get to those CXO positions, but some of them are actually crooked. And I've seen that crookedness from very close corners. Similarly, very successful startup founders, very successful business owners. There is a lot of if and but in your journey to the top of the pyramid. You have to flout rules, you have to con the department of income taxes, you have to swindle the money of banks, you have to loot people in some way or the other, in many ways. Many people just are very hardworking and they reach to the top of the pyramid. Our motto for the day today is to think that okay, I have not reached the top of the pyramid. Okay, so I am maybe running a small kirana shop, and I am earning 50,000 rupees a month, 1 lakh rupees a month, 1.5 lakh rupees a month. छोटी सी मिठाई की दुकान है, I've got a small sweet shop, small pharmacy shop, I've got a small CA firm. I'm earning 1.5 lakhs, 50,000, 1.25 lakhs, 75,000. These ranges are also enough. I mean, जो प्राप्त है वो पर्याप्त है. That is something that I always keep telling, and I want to re-emphasize that in this video, that it's not always necessary to be part of that hustle culture and keep running. In the previous video also we talked about working 18 hours a day and stop that rona dhona, work for 18 hours a day for the next 4-5 years of your life. No, I don't think that's important. You should have some sort of a sukoon inside. ये ज़रूरतें तो कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होगी, थोड़ा सुकून तो ले लीजिए जनाब. So this is what was one of the famous sayings of Ghalib. ये ख्वाहिशें, ये ज़रूरतें, ये तो कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होगी. And society is conditioned to make us consume things that we don't want and buy things which we don't need and make relationship with people whom we really don't need. But it is like that, मतलब that Europe tour, that flat in that complex with that air conditioning, central air conditioning and that interior design नहीं चाहिए भाई. जो है आप अपने एवरेज लाइफ से भी खुश हो सकते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू emphasize, and what are your views on this? Let us discuss in the comment section. Thank you.